Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Range Rover front grille. First, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a Torx T20 bit, and a trim removal tool. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is off for safety. This simple process can be done with basic hand tools, making it an easy DIY task for anyone. Next, open the hood and locate the top retaining screws along the grille's upper edge. There are typically 4 to 6 screws holding it in place. Use your Torx T20 bit to carefully remove these fasteners. Keep them in a safe spot, as you will need them for reinstallation. This step prepares the grille for detachment. With the top screws removed, gently pull the top edge of the grille forward to release the clips. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry around the sides and bottom, releasing any remaining clips. Work slowly and evenly to avoid damaging the plastic tabs. The grille should then come free from its mounting points. Once the grille is removed, you can clean it thoroughly or prepare for a replacement. When reinstalling, align the bottom clips first, then push the grille firmly into place until all clips engage. Finally, secure the top with the 4 to 6 Torx screws. This ensures a snug and secure fit for your Range Rover's front grille.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.